Just because somebody is big and is very strong doesn't mean they have any knowledge about training, and vice versa. I've seen so many people and worked out with a lot of people who just generally have been strong their entire life. Genetically, they've been gifted with good genes that have basically improved recovery, improved muscle mass, and strength increased greatly. And usually these are the people that are just natural athletes. On the flip side, you get the person who is very knowledgeable, went to school for stuff, and maybe they work out, but they're not very strong, not very big. And you might look at somebody like this and you're like, I'm not going to take advice from you. You're not even big. But the thing about this is it's not really good to do that. And two things. One, the people who are already very big, I should say naturally very big, a lot of times since they're naturally very big and they're really, really into it, they will then go to the extra terms of introducing stuff like anabolic steroids, which increase your muscle mass and recovery capabilities tremendously. And in addition to this, a lot of them don't really use the best of technique, don't really use the best of training protocols. And for most people who are natural and just want the best advice, it's just not going to transfer over to you very well. These people also may have a very high pain tolerance and be able to just work really, really, really hard and be able to get away with it and create good gains for themselves just because of their sheer work ethic and tenacity. But if you imagine somebody who's very educated and knows what they're doing and has very good genetics, those are going to be the people you want to take advice from. And it's hard because when you go to the gym, if somebody looks big, you're naturally going to think, hey, I should lift like them and I should take their advice. Not always the case. So try to do some background for the people you're getting information from. And even me, I mean, look at my videos and see what I talk about and see if I think I know what I know to talk about, right? Because those are going to be the people you want to listen from and take lifting advice from.